All right, welcome back to LearnWire. I want to just go over some results that I'm getting with AIWiseMind. So if you are interested in AIWiseMind and if this content actually ranks, then stick around. This is the video for you. I'm already getting results. This is a very new site with no backlinks whatsoever in the dog and pet niche. And so I'm going to show you the campaign and then show you some of the articles that are already ranking. Here's an article that was just published to the site automatically, 100% hands-free. Literally, I see hands-free right here inside the text right there. It's super funny. As I said that, my eyes literally were drawn right here. It's really funny. But Dingo Candy Cross review, I actually don't know what that is, but this is going to be, this part right here is automated because we're going after some product reviews on Amazon. But you'll be able to see what it's going to pull the images from Amazon. It's going to automatically create a table of contents, and it's going to cover all the different things that you would want to know about this. It looks like it's a combo pack with the leash and the harness and so forth for the dog. These are written in a way, and you even have a table right here and so forth. You have automatic Amazon buttons and so forth. And these are written in a way that it's basically providing what Google tells us should be in a review post, all relevant images and so forth. So really, really nice stuff right there. Okay, so that's the one that was just published today, but let's go look at some of these other articles right here. So one of them is this Niwa Candy Cross and Ski Joring belt review. So this is an actual combo, like a combo product, right? And we're going to go and check this out. So if I copy this, we're going to go into an incognito window, and right over here we're going to look at this, the Niwa Candy Cross and Ski Joring belt review, and we can come down here and see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we're ranked number 6 on page 1 for this product review right here. You can see that this was published 5 days ago right here. And even if we take the symbol out, since that's very specific, and we just replace that with and, it shouldn't make a whole lot of difference. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we're ranked 7 with the spelled out and. Definitely a page 1 ranking right there for a product review. Yes, this product review isn't going to get a ton of traffic as far as people typing this exact keyword phrase in, but it does show you that specifically some people will grab what it says on Amazon, which I think that is actually what it says right here. If someone was in Amazon right here, it literally says this exact thing, and Ski Joring belt to run or walk. So right here, let's copy, and just for fun, I'm going to paste that in. I didn't check this, see if we would also possibly rank without the word review in it. Just want to double check. And we are ranking on like page 2 right here, even without the word review. And that's what a lot of people do. And that's how you can become profitable with a website like this, is because a lot of people will go to Amazon and they will, grab this and they'll paste it in and try to search for a website if they want to do some additional research, right? And this one's actually selling for $62, so it wouldn't get a bad commission on that. Let's go look at another keyword. So this one's even more impressive in my opinion. Best Candy Cross gear in 2023. We actually have a number 1 ranking right here. Again, no backlinks whatsoever. This right here, best Candy Cross gear in 2023. Someone might type that in, but even more so, right over here, best Candy Cross gear. Now, definitely people are going to type that in, and we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, let's see, 5, 6, 7. I mean, I'm not going to count it out, but I think that we landed on page 2 or 3. I'm going to keep scrolling right over here. So I think that we're at the very bottom of page 2 or top of page 3 right here for the top 4 best Candy Cross gear in 2023. It did create a nice post. If we click on this, you'll be able to see we definitely have the tables of contents, and it's going to give us the top 4 products. I hand selected these based on sales in this space. It's going to give us a pros and cons, a button back to Amazon, and then it's going to give us our next product right there, and then it's going to write a nice summary and go over basically a nice review of the product and so forth, right? So looking pretty good, and it is using the product images on Amazon, and then it has a nice table at the end based on those 4 products, and I believe it'll do 5 products if you select large content, If you select medium content, it'll do 4, and small content, it'll do 3 products. But Chris and the team are looking at getting the capability of doing 10 products on an Amazon review roundup. So will let you guys know as soon as I find out more on that. But I did tell them that it is common to do 10 products. And so what they would need to do is they would need to shorten the amount that they're talking about for each product, if you will. But nonetheless, very impressed with these couple of rankings that we're getting right over here with the site is definitely indexing and ranking for these keywords, right? And so this is a very new website. It was a brand new domain, never been registered before. I haven't built one backlink to it, and it only has about maybe, I don't know, let's go look. Go into the dashboard here. We'll go to posts, and we have 49 published articles on the site at this point. So a way that you can get this all set up and scheduled and monetized and everything is using AIWiseMind, this software right over here. I will leave a link below if you want to go and check it out. This is the sales page right here. You'll be able to go and check it out. It is fully tested by several people. Before it even came out, it was already available. I mean, it was already soft launched for a month before it was even released to the public. And so a lot of people got to test it and give feedback and a lot of fixes and additions and all those good things to make sure that it was ready to come to the market. Okay. So this is what it looks like inside of here. If we go to campaigns, you'll see the different campaigns that I'm running. You can see the ones that are active right now. Every single day, one article gets created and automatically published to that website. A couple things are going on though, is that before having AIWiseMind, you would have to come in here and I had to install where is it at? I had to install publish content. So if I go to settings and then come down here to publish to schedule, this is where I have this all set up to post 1 article per day right now. And that's why you're seeing all those being published and then they're being scheduled inside of here once they hit. I could definitely turn this off. And that is one of the biggest reasons to pick up AIWiseMind. If you want autopilot, you want to install all these plugins and update them and everything. You'll just come over here and you'll set up a campaign. You'll set up your website over here, and then you'll be able to just turn on the campaign. So from right over here, here's the reviews right here. We can go and just push edit, and we can go and take a look at what this campaign looks like. Inside of AIWiseMind, I put the search string searching for Canicross equipment right there. And then I put in my Amazon ID and then get it on Amazon as the buy button. And then you select the type of images that you want. You select the content that you want and so forth. And then I said, I want 100 posts published on a schedule 1 time every day, published to WordPress, boom, Canicross. And then I selected that I want it under product reviews. And then I pushed save, and then it went out and it actually got all these scheduled. And look at all these pages of scheduled content. We already know for the next, that's 3 weeks from now. We'll come over here. We have for the next 2 months, 2 full months, we have content going out. Here's the ASIN that's going to have a product review on it. And just like that, within 5 minutes, you can set up on autopilot and having content hitting your website, your niche websites every single day for months to come. So super, super cool. I haven't seen this in a tool before that has all these unique affiliate marketing and niche website building capabilities quite like this. So super cool. If you want to go pick this up or at least check it out, there'll be a link below. And, I hope that this kind of answered some of those questions when you're wondering, hey, does this content rank? Absolutely. Best Canicross gear in 2023. We're right up here at the top. No backlinks, brand new site, and this content is ranking. So super cool stuff. Hopefully you guys enjoyed that update and rankings proof video. As more rankings come in, obviously I'm going to continue sharing that with you. Also, leave a comment if you made it this far in the video, if you watched the whole thing, and then if you want me to build a website from scratch using AIWiseMind and get everything all scheduled up and so forth, and maybe even use the site wizard that they have on there where it will set up a lot of the things on your website on autopilot. So it will save you time. And this is a tool that you could go out there and build 10, 20, 50 or more websites using it. So super cool stuff. I will keep you guys informed. Again, if you guys want to go and pick up AIWiseMind, it's still available right now with the link below. I'll see you in the next video.